Nvidia recently released their new 20 series graphics card. They are based on the new Turing architecture and they bring lots of new features to the table. This includes GDDR6 memory, ray tracing RT cores, Tensor cores and higher performance. So today we are having a look at the new MSI Geforce RTX 2080 Gaming X Trio. This is an expensive, powerful and a very big graphics card. It comes in a great packaging and there are lots of information on the back side, but our interest is in the inside. So you guys can have a look at the packaging. Now let's quickly unbox it and see the new RTX 2080. There is another box inside the outer cover. At first we see a MSI envelope which has the MSI leaflets, driver CDs and stickers. Next we see some cables and a support bracket. Then we finally see the monstrosity inside the safe anti-static bag. This is a 8GB really powerful new generation graphics card which has 3 fans over a very beefy heatsink. Also, this is a very heavy graphics card with a pretty amazing build quality. This graphics card requires 2 8-pin connections, so it shows how power hungry it is. We like the new colors, the new modern design and the good looking backplate. RTX 2080 brings lots of new features to the table with AI, Tensor cores and the new RT cores. Games get good benefits and we will see that in the future because game developers are now starting to put ray tracing in their games. This model of MSI RTX 2080 has beefy heatsink, 3 fans and a solid build, so we guess it will provide us the power by remaining cool at the time of use. So this is our quick unboxing and look at the new MSI RTX 2080 model. We will soon be doing the unboxing of 2080 Ti as well, so keep updated with our channel and watch our other videos. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel as well. So see you guys on the next one. We will be back soon. Till then, have a great day and goodbye.